To most people, this looks like just a lumpy old rock. What if I told you inside there could be something truly unexpected? Today I have some Malawi and Botswana agates. Each one holds unique secrets at its core, and I want to see if there's anything in there that'll blow me away. I'll be cutting open 1 pound of Botswana agates and 1 pound of Malawi baby agates to see what I can find. Hey everyone. I have just recently bought these little tiny baby, how do you pronounce it? Malawi agates. I've never cut anything like this before, but I've seen a lot of pictures online and they look really cool. You can see there's some windows here that shows the interior. They don't look like much from the outside, but I think we're gonna get some really good results when we cut them open. I got these from the gem shop online. I didn't know what to expect when I was purchasing babies, but these are actually really good sizes for cabbing, and I actually got a lot more than I was expecting. The ones I've seen in person have a really nice banding and patterns inside and nice colors. Oops. Satisfied so far, and I'm at the workshop, so I'm gonna go cut these open and see what's inside. So what is the big deal with these agates? Why are people so obsessed with them? Well, it comes down to the wild diversity of what you can find inside them with their bandings. They're famous for these vibrant colors and sharp, complex patterns. You never know what they're going to look like inside, which is what makes cutting them open so fun. Each one of these agates has the potential to be an amazing gemstone. We just need to cut it open first and find out what's inside. A lapidary saw doesn't necessarily slice through the rock like a wood saw does. It's more of a slow grinding process. The blade just slowly grinds its way through the stone. You don't push it too hard or fast, you just push a constant pressure and let the blade do the rest. If you apply too much pressure, you can stress the rock and it will shatter. There'll be a few in this video that you'll see shatter, but they still turn out nice. Now this is a perfect example of the type of banding you'll see in these agates. They're absolutely beautiful. Let's keep cutting. Highs and lows. That's what cutting agates is all about. Another perfect example. Bandings are absolutely beautiful. The colors are magnificent. They're super red, super bright, super vibrant. Perfect. Unfortunately, this is one of the ones that shattered. Really disappointed because it does look really nice. I still think I can salvage it, but it would have been a lot nicer if I cut it directly in half. started with a humble, dusty rock that looked like nothing from the outside. And with just one cut down the center, we were able to reveal this spectacular display of color and creation. I'm really satisfied with these Botswali agates. I really enjoy the banding. It was exactly what I was expecting. Of course, not all of them are winners, but the ones that are look absolutely fantastic. I think most of these will make really good cabochons. The bandings are in the perfect spot, and they're an ideal size. I was really excited about this one due to the coloration on the outside. I was hoping that red would go deeper into it. I think it'll polish nice. It's unfortunate that this one's shattered in the saw. It has a really good banding and a nice color. I also really like the waxy look of it. It's such a large piece that I'll still be able to make something out of this, but it would have been a lot easier if it was cut into 2 instead of 3. Now let's check out the baby Malawi agates. These ones were absolutely beautiful. These dramatic centers and vivid color transitions are what really set these agates apart from the others. These agates are a world-class example of what make this hobby so addictive. It's a treasure hunt, a geology lesson, and an art reveal all rolled into one. And I think this was an incredible success. The patterns are stunning, the colors are vibrant. Let me know which ones were your favorite in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.